Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for March. This month's theme is Rewrite the Rules. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam bag design features marble artwork and an oversized beaded zipper pull. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Radiant Polish, Dermafirm Soothing Repair Toning Serum, Shades by Shan Life of the Party Palette, Dazzle Me Get a Grip Makeup Setting Spray, and the Ofra Lipgloss In Blissful. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Galactic Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub, SL Miss Glam Green Trio Brush Set, Wander Beauty Trailblazer Eyeshadow Palette, Defiance Beauty Liquid Eyeliner, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and using the Galactic Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. It has a grainy texture with fruit extracts to provide gentle exfoliation. The look of it reminds me of dragon fruit and it smells super good too. After that, I'm trying the Dermafirm Soothing Repair Toning Serum. This is supposed to target freckles and age spots with precision. This immediately absorbed into my skin and the scent is quite pleasant and rosy. Next, I'm using the SL Miss Glam Green Trio Brush Set. This set includes a contour brush, blush brush, and highlighter brush. The size of these brushes are quite small, so I'm able to be really precise with my product placement. Now let's take a look at the Shades by Shan Life of the Party palette. This 4-pan palette retails for $20. Let's swatch it. First, I'm picking up the matte dark brown color. I'm applying this along my lash line and sweeping it up into my crease. Next, I'm dipping into the matte light brown color. I'm using this to blend out what I just applied. Finally, I'm grabbing the matte bone shade. I'm packing this all over the lid. Now let's test out the Dazzle Me Get a Grip Setting Spray. This multi-purpose setting spray is here to help you get your makeup under control. Besides locking in your look for the long haul, it also helps to keep oil in check, soothes and treats acne, and hydrates your skin. After that, we have the Defiance Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. This is the shade Enigma, a carbon black color. This is super black. Next, I'm testing out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Mascara. The wand is fluted and tapered. I really like that it's formulated with biotin and collagen to strengthen lashes. Finally, I'm applying the Ofra Lipgloss In Blissful. This is an opaque rose gold shimmer. This is basically a liquid highlighter for your lips. Here's the finished look using products from both the March Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.